Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing. This is a what TF did I order, but I am thinking and gonna guess that it is Dooney and Bourke. And we are gonna find out together. And the goal is to not cut up whatever's inside. I am opening it upside down. Excuse me. Because I did not want to take the address label off. So I just turned it over to open it. So let's see, y'all. Let me get some water. Just a moment. Excuse me. Okay. Let's see what we got. I see a trash bag. So it's packaged kind of sort of with care. Let's see. It feels heavy. Make sure. I think this is the first item I've received in the trash bag, but I'm not mad at that at all because I have received items just in the box with no coverage at all. So I can appreciate the trash bag. This is heavy, y'all. Trash bag and paper. So this is showing care. Excuse me. Double, triple wrapped. Oh, y'all, this is... Okay, y'all. This is a vintage Dooney and Bourke bag. So, of course, when buying anything online that is pre-loved, you don't know what it really looks like until you get it, because the picture, sometimes the lighting can show otherwise. But this one, I figured the pictures were pretty true, so we're going to go ahead and inspect this together as well. The strap, there wasn't a clear picture of the strap online, but from what I saw, it did not look too bad. So first thing I noticed is that on the hardware, it does say solid brass right there. So that's a good sign. The strap itself, the edges and the glaze do not look bad. I believe this would definitely fall in the vintage category. I am thinking that this came out in the 90s. I could be wrong, but if you know, definitely comment below and let me know, because I've always been skeptical about buying a vintage, excuse me, Dooney and Bourke bag, because did something fall on there? Because I remember there were so many dupes made early on. So far, it just looks like it needs to be conditioned, cleaned and conditioned. That's a close-up of the all-weather leather charm. Here's a close-up of the duck. It's looking authentic, y'all. I believe once I condition it, those scratches will probably blend in a bit. So far, y'all, I'm not mad at this at all. And let's check the back pocket. Not bad. And this color looks like it is black with the darker brown trim. Okay. So it's definitely been loved. Check the inside here as well. I'm glad they had it stuffed because it could have easily been flattened in there, but so far so good. Like I said, just needs some cleaning. It does have the Dooney and Bourke label stitched in there, made in the USA. Interior zipper pocket. And this is something new that I didn't know that the vintage ones had. Looks like card slots attached to the zipper pocket. So a total of 6 card slots there. Let's flip it up. Oh wow, y'all, this still has the label there. Surprised to see that. Made in the USA. Vintage shoulder bag. And of course, with the vintage ones, I believe most of them are unlined. So you can see what it looks like. Y'all, I'm not mad at this at all. I've been looking at vintage bags and different colors, but really wasn't sure which color I wanted, which ones were really real. Trying to get a closer look at certain ones that did look kind of weird. And give you a close-up of that also. It does say Dooney and Bourke around the hardware there. So I went ahead and took a chance with this one. The trim and everything looks very good. And just to get another close-up of the leather. But after looking at different silhouettes and like I said, just trying to be sure that I don't get one that's a dupe. But this one turned out to be a good choice and purchase. I want to say this one was less than $30. And I already knew, I could tell that it needed some cleaning and conditioning. So I am surely up for that task because I think this was a good buy for that price. And it does have wear on it, but I'm going to do some research and see how I can get it looking like it looked day one or as close as possible to it. But the main things that I looked out for were the strap. When I saw that the parts of the strap that I could see weren't really in bad condition. It's not really frayed or anything like that. The glaze is still kind of holding on. That was a good sign. And the edges did not look too bad either. There is some wear and color discoloration here. But overall, I have the vision. I can see what it's going to look like once I actually clean it up and condition it. So I'm looking forward to it, y'all. I'm going to also see if I can find a vintage coin purse in the same color. I was able to acquire one. I believe the color that I have is caramel. But I want to see if I can get one in this color with the same leather trim. I think the ones that I've seen, the leather trim on it is a little bit lighter than this. So this is a darker brown trim. But that's it, y'all. This is my what TF did I order. I am happy with my purchase. I think it was a great price. And this is a good size bag and versatile as well to be able to carry it as a top handle carry, as well as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. And it does have some good weight to it, so that's letting me know it has that good Dooney and Bourke leather build in it as well. So I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. As always, have a wonderful day.